Yo, I'll bang out, let the claws hang out. Running through defenses after payouts to stay south. Avoid detection, set the bait out. Slash the best men the first to take out. From the stakeout to the grave now. Show them all the pain I rain down. My verse is third rail, avoid the train sound. Get out the way now. I call souls to reclaim ground. All fold when I rain down. These real G's move in silence, so what's the cards you play now? Royal flush, dust you off the playground. With those same brown pair of khakis, hoping that y'all fake fucks get at me. My skills is latchkey, built from acne. Got mama on the last knee. Higher than a trap beast, till we backspeed. Rope 'em like a track meet. But we ain't athletes, we just pack seats with our packed treats to your family last week. All my life I've been living with this curse. All my life I've been living with this pain and it hurts. All my life I've been living with this curse. All my life I've been living with this pain and it hurts. I came out, cold temperatures you couldn't brave now. Arctic chill, iron will slashing out the chains now. Remain proud as I rumble through the tundra. Got a dot on my head and constant pressure that I'm under. Turn my brain to a cave of graves, pain, it's a murderous wonder. All pressed into a diamond, talent sold on consignment. Kill an animal for hiring, lay low and keep firing. My arms never tiring and eyes filled with the fire and desiring inside of them. Inspired by a winning will and a taste for the kill. That's government funded punishment, the people's footing the bill. Slash them while they standing still. I turn the shit to Hamburger Hill. No remorse for the kill, or the people as they weep haven't eaten in weeks. And y'all people here is looking like sheep. All my life I've been living with this curse. All my life I've been living with this pain and it hurts. All my life I've been living with this curse. All my life I've been living with this pain and it hurts. Wait, it gets worse.